under the curse. Alright, got the sunrise going. I got boxes of parts. We're gonna stuff them on top of Tippins here. Let's see how he's looking. Oh, I think there's another box in there already. Got to do a little bit of work this morning. Nothing major. Got an ice maker, some parts for our ice maker. And then those little tiny Copeland condensing units to get the plastic fan shroud that holds the motor. I'll show you guys in a minute. It took months to get. Took a long time. Oh yeah. Packed. Package of wheat. There it is. Look like a delivery driver. All right, let's get out there and we'll do this Manitowok. We got to do the air pump. It's just an air pump and an air filter. And then we're going to do that plastic fan shroud that actually holds a condenser fan motor for the little Copeland's condensing units. They're expensive. They're really expensive. And it took forever to get. So we'll get out and bring you guys along. Look, I got the club going because we live in Troll Central. New Harvet assist pump. There's the old timer right there. We'll take these two off. We'll get this whole bracket out. And the plug for it's right. Yeah, the plug for it's right here. Not too bad. Pink. And then the air tube comes right up here on the top, off the T right here. And we'll probably find the diaphragm on the old one broken. It's usually what happens. The old one. When these get loud, see the diaphragm on that side, you can see it all in there. On this side, you can see it's gone. See, it's all deteriorated and gone. And they'll get loud, and then it's time for a new one. That's your Harvet assist pump. Hey, NorCal Dave. Maybe you should clean your van. Hey, maybe you should shut the fuck up and maybe I'm just busy. What a disaster. Oh, what's that? Orb. Right. I got my tools, knee pads, this is my box. The condensing unit's under the stairwell here, so that'll be fun. And I'll show you guys how to do these little plastic fan shrouds. Yeah, we're gonna be right under here like always. Always in a fun spot. Let me unplug this dude. Yeah. Alright, there it is. The reason we're putting it back on there is because to keep the mice out. There's like double boxes for this little guy right there. Your fan motor, bracket, and then your motor. Tink. Then it just snaps in with 2 snaps and then 2 screw holes. And that's it. pretty much. Get the extension, the 1/4 inch. Get the driver. All right. Battery's dying. Let's see here. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take the fan blade off. See, these little connectors here are for the ones right there. You'll see how it'll line up. If I can get her to line up here. We'll see if I can get her to line up. Almost. Okay. It's pliable when they're new. What happens is these fan shrouds, they get hot and brittle and then they break as they get older. There we go. Now we got them all in. All 4 are in. See that? Motor is in. Get our fan blade back in. There we go. Okay, now I got to get these 2 clipped in, and then these ones had screw holes. Or I think the old one just had the clips. And we'll see. You get your clip in, you'll hear it when it clips in. There it goes. Now I gotta get my feet lined up. They're pressed about lined up right there. Get my screws back in and we're done. Hook up the wires and then we'll be done. Then this helps keep the mice out from in there. And that's the main reason we're changing it. But they get brittle over time when they get hot and old, and then when you go to change the motor out, they break. So it's a little heads up. We can get these back in there. I like to get them started so they all line up, and then I'll bury the Herman so I'm not fighting it later. See, get them started, and then you can see they're pretty much lined up. Somebody's looking for me. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay. Okay. Looking good so far. All right, where all the wires are connected, let's see if this, I don't know if this thing's ready to fire off or not. There it goes. All right, mission accomplished. Very good. All right, we'll get this thing back together. Super bender. Okay. Almost there. A little dryer rack. Like we were never here. Sweet. Well, let's end the day like we started it. The sun's going down. Yeah. What do you think, lady? Is that a wrap? Yeah, that's a wrap.